Hi, so in this video we are going to cover Zord. What is Zord? So simply Zord is used for authentication. It is just a syntax to declare what will be the schema for the data. So we are going to cover what is Zord, we are going to cover how to write a syntax for it and how to use it in while creating backend. So let's get started. So here opened a backend file folder uh, which we have created in previous videos. So you can go through that if you're not aware of that. So now I'm going to open up a new file I previously created when I was working. Now I have opened a new file. It is like to do app which we are going to cover, which we are going to make in this series. So like what is Zord? We are going to cover that. So Zord is just used for authentication. It is used for schema to declare a schema. Like there is a to do app and what will come in a to do app? So simple we are going to declare like first title, second description, and third whether the to do is completed or not. So like true or false or something like that. So in to do basically if we take the title and description will be there. So title will be in string and description be in string. There can be a data which will contain an array. There can be a data which will contain an array and that array will contain only string or contain only number inside it. So how to declare those schemas or those structures of data? So here comes a better way to declare those all structures is Zord. So like here I am using, so don't go into it. We are going to understand it very much. So like Zord, it's a like documentation for it. You can simply get it. It's a better way to declare schemas. And what is schema? Schema is just a structure of data you are going to save. So like here is a documentation. You can just simply go through all. Uh, so like we are here. Um, so like I am just creating a new file which will be named types.js. Okay. So in this file, what I'm going to do is like basically I'm going to explain what is Zord or something. Uh, if I am declaring like const to do or something. Inside it, um, inside it I'm going to declare like it will contain only title and the title will have a structure of that will contain only string, right? And there is a description and that description will only contain string. Okay, there can be a an id uh, which will contain boolean, that means true and false. So how we can store that? So here we have declared this. So simply we are going to declare object like that, but here you have to add Zord dot object. You have to mention it that is a Zord object, and the first thing you have to install a Zord inside your CD backend folder. So CD backend, and now I'm going to npm install Zord. So now I'm going to install Zord inside my folder, backend folder. And now when you install your Zord, Then you can import it. How to import? Const result equal require result. So it's simple. Const result equal required result. So here we are going. So here you have entered this. Here you have to declare like this, and in that you have to declare your object. Okay, and in this ID, you can declare zod.number simply, or not number. It will contain zod.boolean. So whatever, it is very simple to declare a structure. And if I have to store an array, then I have to do zod.array, and inside that parenthesis I have to declare zod dot like if I want array of numbers, then zod dot number. So like this. Here we are understanding about Zod, how to install it, what is the documentation, how you can uh, create a structure for a to-do list. It is very simple. It is when I get the data from the input fields, then from here we will check about whether the data has the right structure or not. It can be complex. It is very simple for now, but it can be complex. So in that case, so I hope you learned something new. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, you can ask in comments. Thank you.